Hi, Brian Bachman with MarineMax Clearwater. Today with a video walkthrough of the 2020 Boston Whaler 21 Montauk. This boat was redesigned last year from the running surface up. Very smooth riding boat and very stable. This has the light blue full hull color. Extremely good looking boat. Nice contrast with the stainless rub rail and silver graphics. Let's move a little closer and take a look. You'll see it's powered by a white V6, 200 horsepower Mercury outboard, very smooth and quiet performance. See a couple JL audio speakers in the transom and also integrated flip-up seating. This boat does have the upgraded leaning post live well. So we have the live well, leaning post and flip-up bolsters and tool storage. Light blue gel coated on the underside of the T-top. Then flip-up bolsters, very comfortable seating. As we zoom in, we'll see this boat is up. Has installed Raymarine electronics from the factory as well as Raymarine VHF. Moving forward, see the fishing package that has the seat back, cooler seat with cushion. And also forward, a couple more JL audio speakers. We do have the optional backrests and bow cushions, very comfortable area to sit or lounge. It does have a head as well. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, feel free to give me a call. Again, this is Brian Bachman from MarineMax Clearwater. I can be reached at 813-503-2649, so give us a call. Come see this boat or any others in person or set up a demo, get on the water today. Thanks for watching.